Leaks in structure develop due to practical and logistic reasons. There has been advancement in waterproofing technologies over the years. This lecture will introduce the injection waterproofing, in which deeply embedded cracks or fissures are filled with material to stop water leakages. The leakages can also develop due to chemical attacks, corrosive groundwater, or seawater. In order to avoid the expensive replacement costs to water structures such as water tanks and cooling towers that are leaking, these leaks can often be securely sealed and waterproofed through injection grouting. Injection material is extremely fine, which can penetrate into cracks and pores developed in concrete, masonry or natural stone structures. The methods can be applied anytime, during construction at joints, or later when cracks develop. How it works. The water passes through micro cracks which are less than 0.1 millimeters. Use of grouting material fills these cracks. As a result, the structure becomes waterproof. If new cracks are developed, the chemical reactions further take places, seal the newly developed cracks, protecting the structure further. Common types of injection material. The type of material will depend upon the size of crack and physical conditions. Polyurethane foam resin. It is designed to expand with water. It blocks water through cracks/voids. It reacts fast with water and forms a tough and flexible foam. Polyurethane resin. It is hydrophobic and flexible. It is low viscous and allows better penetration into concrete. Seals with very good edge adhesion to concrete. Epoxy resin. They have relatively high tensile and compressive strengths and is regarded as a rigid material. It is best for load-bearing reinforced concrete structures and has low viscosity, hence has great penetration. Cementus material. Uses cement-based coatings to prevent water vapor, and moisture from penetrating concrete surfaces. They are also called microfine cement grouts. They have very good penetration ability and are widely used for structural injection for basement, swimming pools and walls. Works to seal non-moving cracks and voids. Sequence of application of crack injection. There are 4 steps involved in injection grouting. Drilling of holes, mounting of nozzles commonly called sockets, sealing the surface tight to ensure grout does not leak through nozzles, and finally pressure injecting the grout till material overflows. First, drill holes nearby cracks to install sockets, also called mounting nozzles. This eliminates the drilling process, which is time-consuming and a dirty process after injection. The most common practice is to use a PVC pipe. However, use of hard plastic cap or AGI nozzle is recommended. Depending upon size and leakage amount, spacing of nozzles are decided. Sealing the surface. The installed nozzle should be tight so that it can withstand in maximum injection pressure. Ensure all open surfaces, cracks are sealed. Allow the seal material to cure and bond with the surface so that it can withstand injection pressure. Injecting the crack. This is the most technical part of the injection process. For vertical walls, start from the bottommost point of the structure and work upwards to the highest point. The injection process continues till all the material from the pump or tube starts to overflow. This is the sign that the crack has been fully filled with paste. Once the injection is done, move it to second socket and repeat this process socket to socket. All cementitious grouting must be carried out with a cement-based grout incorporating a plasticized, expanding powder admixture. The admixture must be iron-free and chloride-free. Method of mixing admixtures. The admixtures should be added in clean water. The proportion should be 1 part clean water to 3 parts chemical, which shall be measured by volume. Due to the rapid set characteristics of the product, prepare just for a quantity of mortar which can be placed within the prescribed set time. The initial set time is approximately 1 to 2 minutes at 30 degrees Celsius. Injection waterproofing is an effective way of repairing or sealing cavities. It has proven to be simple and durable process for maintenance and repairs. The material does not shrink. It will expand and fill all the voids in the cracks. Cementitious waterproofing is widely used since it's easiest and cheapest method.